This is AVR based slow speed oscilloscope. I converted it to ECG machine. ECG monitor. See, this is the circuit, and this is the AD620 based ECG amplifier circuit. This is the power supply circuit, and this is the interfacing circuit with the oscilloscope. This is the oscilloscope microcontroller circuit, and this is the ECG monitor or oscilloscope monitor. See, I made two probes. These probes are connected with my wrist and another with my spinal cord, backside spinal cord. I moist it through water and normally available shampoo. See, when I adjust this circuit, how my ECG circuit can be available. See, I make it reset to show you it again. Although this is not very clear, but you can get an idea of your heartbeat. I make it stand still, and this is again moving. You can adjust right and left, up and down, like this.